In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Calendly to Close CRM. This integration is a great way to streamline your scheduling and customer relationship management, making your workflow more efficient and seamless. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to navigate to your Close homepage. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already acquainted. The next step is to look towards the bottom left corner of your screen, where you'll find the Integrations option. Clicking on this will open up a list of available integrations, and this is where you can start setting up the connection between Calendly and Close CRM. As you scroll through the integration options, look for Calendly. It should be listed among the choices ready for you to select. Clicking on Calendly will bring up further instructions specific to linking your accounts. This is a crucial step as it sets the stage for the actual integration process. Now you'll see an option that says Connect your Calendly account. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the integration magic starts to happen. By doing this, you're essentially telling Close CRM that you want it to communicate with your Calendly account. The next part involves signing into your Calendly account. You'll need to enter your login credentials to proceed. Ensure that your credentials are accurate to avoid any hiccups. This step is necessary because it authorizes Close CRM to access your Calendly scheduling data, allowing for a seamless integration experience. Once you're logged in, the connection process will complete automatically, linking your Calendly to Close CRM. From here, you'll be able to manage your appointments directly within Close CRM, without having to switch back and forth between platforms. This integration will not only save you time, but also keep everything organized in one place. Remember, if at any point you encounter issues, both Calendly and Close CRM have support resources you can reach out to for assistance. It's always a good idea to ensure that both platforms are updated to their latest versions to minimize any potential connectivity issues. And there you have it. You've successfully linked Calendly to Close CRM. This setup will streamline your scheduling tasks and improve your overall efficiency in managing client relationships. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your workflow. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment or reach out for support. Happy scheduling!